Hi, Michelle here. I wanted to go ahead and shoot a little video because I'm going to do a little plant task today. I'm taking the lights that are in this Vittsjo shelf and I'm going to take them out and I'm going to put in some yellowish cast lights that were in my old Milsbo cabinet. I don't really like the pinkish tint of these. And since I got new lights for the Milsbo for my birthday, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the lights that were in that and I'm going to put it in this cabinet. And then I'm going to clean everything and rearrange. And I thought you might want to join me. So that's going to be today's video. It's not going to be a lot of talking. It's going to be mostly just kind of fast forwarding. So if you want to go ahead and grab some plant chores yourself and, do some tasks yourself, that would be a great. If you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you like this kind of content or not. If you'd like to see other plant-related content from me, please consider subscribing to my channel. I post a lot of things about Hoyas. This is not going to be so much Hoya specific, but I do post a lot about Hoyas. And if you have any questions or comments, please put them down below. I promise I'll get back to them. And now let's go ahead and change the camera angle a little and take a look at my plant shelves. Here's my Vittsjo shelf. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take these bar lights and I'm going to put in these T8 lights that are a lot brighter. They burn a lot hotter. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to plug in the bottom one and I'm going to see if how bright it is and to see if the plants can actually use this light or not. Okay, let's see how that looks. Wow, we definitely have a different appearance. Definitely a lot brighter. What do you think? Yes? No? I think we should go for it. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to use a scraper. This is a plastic scraper. It's sharpened like a razor, but it's not a metal. And I'm going to remove the 4 lights from the shelf. And then I'm going to take down all the plants. Maybe I should take down all the plants first and then do the lights. And then I'm going to go ahead and install the new lights, clean the shelves, and put back on the plants. And I'll fast forward anything I have. And if I have anything interesting I want to say, I'll stop it and we'll chat. So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and stop before I even start. And let's go ahead and take a look at my Melanochrysum prop box. And I definitely think that we have some serious growth going on here. This all started from one leaf plant. So the leaves are all really small. I thought what I would do would be to take cuttings from it and give them to people as free cuttings, like a little bonus cutting. But they've been in the prop box so long, I don't know if I can do that. I'll have to ship them in plastic cups to keep the humidity up. I'm shaking this to get out all the leaves. It drops leaves like crazy, so I'm just giving it a gentle shake to get rid of all the leaves. Okay, you want to see a plant that needs to get rerooted. It's this. That's all roots. The whole thing is nothing but roots. This is a silver glory. I brought this one back from the edge of death. and it's rewarded me with a lot of growth. This is a Ripsalis. I don't know the variety, unfortunately, but it's really cute. It just was almost nothing, and thankfully it came back and it's really started to grow again, and it drapes so beautifully down the side of the shelf. Okay, I have the shelves all emptied out. Now I'm going to go ahead and take off the lights, and then I'll go ahead and clean everything off because I have to spray Goo Gone. In case you're wondering about this plant down here, this is a type of succulent. I cannot move this or else it will just drop every leaf. These bare stems are from moving it before, and it would drop the leaves, so I just don't touch it. Okay, I went ahead and plugged in the first light just to make sure it worked. And this one actually had magnets on it. So this one is assembled with a magnet on top. There's a magnet glued to this. And so all you have to do is take the thin magnet off, and there's a magnet on this, and it's already, that's all you have to do to keep it in place. No worrying about ugly tape that I'm about ready to use now on this. So we're going to put one on each side. Hopefully that will work. Actually, what I think I'm going to do is, okay, now this one's going to go up here on top. And you can't see the floor because the floor is a disaster. The floor looks like Christmas with a group of kindergartners ran through the place. Only there's trash. Okay. Okay. Oh. I put it like 1/2 of a millimeter too close. All right, got it. Yay. Okay, that's 2. Now let's re-clean this one up a little bit. I broke so many leaves off of that succulent move, trying to clean around it. I probably broke 15 leaves off of it. I hate that I can't not move that without breaking it. If you have a solution for how to deal with that without breaking it, please put it in the comments. I'd really appreciate knowing.
I have the rubbing out the alcohol right
That's
there.
fine. No, that's all right. You don't want to be on camera?
No.
Come say hi.
I don't know how I look.
Come say hi. Say peace.
Peace. They're probably like,
They're probably like this. They're probably like, this is the cleanest this thing has been, and that's probably what you're thinking.
This looks really nice.
Yeah, thanks.
I actually like it a lot better than the purple.
Yeah, I do too.
This one looks really good. It looks more like fancier.
Fancy pants?
Yeah, definitely. 100%.
Okay, that's the result with all the lights put in. Now all I need to do is put this stuff up and go ahead and put the plants back in the shelves. I'll go ahead and fast forward that and talk to you at the end. Well, it wouldn't be one of my videos unless there was a technical error. I wanted to thank you for your time today and for your overall support of my videos. I've loved graphic and video editing since I first took Photoshop 5 in college. Now, doesn't that date me? But I really didn't have anything to use it for. When I started to learn more about plants, I had a strong desire to share what I knew with others. I was in the dark so long about so many aspects of plant care that I wanted to keep others from hitting the same walls I did. And so here we are at the end of this video. So thank you for your time today. And until next time, I'll see you then. Bye.